Hi guys, today we're back again in the kitchen, and today we'll be cooking a Egusi soup, and I will take you through the process of the cooking of the Egusi soup. And for those of you asking if I'm a food content creator, no, I'm not a food content creator. I just love cooking. My best place in my house is kitchen. I can be cooking 24/7, no shaking. So that's why I say, okay, let me share that with you guys, since it's what I love and I enjoy doing most. So we'll be cooking this egusi together. Let's go, guys. Okay guys, this is the final cooking. We'll dish it out for you guys to see nicely. Hope we tried and hope we did well. Okay guys, we're done with the cooking of the soup. We'll be paying the soup with oat swallow. Have you ever eat or tasted oat swallow before, or do you know how to do it? If you don't know how to do oat swallow, or you've not tasted oat swallow, follow me as I take you through the process right now. Okay guys, that is basically the process. Hubby will be helping in making the oat swallow because I don't know how to do it. So I will show you guys the final look and process. Okay guys, this is the final look. Hubby is the best.